So we're here with Kathrine Riis, who is Special Advisor at the Danish Energy Regulatory Authority. You spent the day here in Aarhus at the CFEM workshop. And why did you choose to do that?
Actually, I'm quite new in the energy field. I used to work with water and wastewater, and I work with benchmarking of the distribution companies. And in this benchmarking, smart grid is a big issue because we don't know yet how to integrate a smart grid into the regulation. So I basically came today to know more about smart grid and what is smart grid, and to know more.
And did you get to know more?
Yeah, I think maybe it was. I got to know technically more, and that's also very important for me. So I know when all the technicians are speaking of smart grid, I have an idea of what they are talking about, and also is it possible also how to define smart grid. And as I also thought and learned today, smart grid is a very hard to define. Yeah.
But I guess the focus is also supposed to be sort of the whole commercial part, the pricing, all that. Is that something that you also have to relate to in your work?
Yeah, but not that much. I'm also like the competition authority. We work for the consumers, you can say. So in that sense, it's also important for me that the prices are as low as they can be for the consumers. But we do that through regulation. So yeah.
Okay. I don't know if that's unfair to ask you that based on this and the work that you're doing. How do you see that sort of develop? I mean, as far as the end consumers actually benefiting from whatever the smart grids will turn into?
I think before I came, I was definitely thinking as Lauge that the consumers will benefit. I don't know, then you hear all the technicalities that if all consumers use electricity at the same time, maybe the peaks will again be more expensive. So I don't know if the consumers will benefit.
Okay. No, there seems to be a bit of a pessimism relating to what the actual households and the private households would gain from this. There was a focus on industry. Right?
You can say in my work, in the regulation work, the DSO has to spend more money to implement the smart grid, and if they spend more money, it typically means higher prices. So yeah, but if it means that they can work more effectively, the consumers should get lower prices. So yeah, it's a trade-off, and I don't know what the result is.
So by way of conclusion, was it worth your while to?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
Spend the time in Aarhus.
Definitely, yeah.
Thank you.